Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to create an perfect resume using the Canva application. So let's start. First open the Canva. You can use a browser or you can use a mobile application for this. So we have went to the www.canva.com, the website for it, and here we have one search option. So here we just search for resume. So you can see here search for resume, just search that and you can get the multiple options for the resume which already created. This is and templates for it. You can create a blank, you can take a blank one and you can create yours, but we have the other templates as well. So you can use that and you can create your own resume. So let's do that. I'll select this one. So we can see here 100% fully customizable. So you can edit with your own and you can download it or you can share it. So we have to edit R1. So we'll just click on the customize this template. Now this is a template. Let's edit it. So first I'll enter my name, Nicole tutorial. Now education, Pune University in PCS, computer science. Then college name, you can add college name. So I'll add here Savitribai Phule. Now passing year, you can add languages. You know that language you can add. So here I can add Hindi as well. Now skills you can add like Excel, then software testing. You can add your own skill. Then you can update the contact details here. Then email ID. Technical tutorial @gmail.com. Then you can add your address, Pune, the profile information. You can update your photo as well. So I'll add. You can add your image from here, or you can duplicate it. You can edit it. So this is the page I have created. Now let's try to download. Or if you want to add the other information, you can just directly add the page and you can download. So currently I don't want, I'll just download this. So I'll just select it and click on the share. Now here we have the download option. Click on download. So it will in the form of PDF. Now click on the download. So you can see it started downloading. Let's open it. Let's see. So I'm opening it with WPS. So you can see what we have added. We have added the education, that is university, the what we have done, then college, then languages, these skills. So in this way you can use a Canva to create a professional resume.